Hey, this is Mark Williams with Swine Life Barbecue. I'm coming at you today with a quick tip Tuesday. We're gonna get this Kong fired up. What I got is about a full basket of some lump coal. One of the biggest questions we get is how do you keep that Kong from running away? I'm not gonna use a chimney to light it. I simply got a little starter cube right in the middle. We're gonna get it lit, let it come up real slow. It's a lot easier to add temp than it is take away. So we're gonna get this little starter cube fired up. You can use a wax cube, a tumbleweed, whatever you have available. You just wanna get it lit, and this is gonna start our small fire. Once it gets caught, place you a piece of charcoal over the top and leave the lid open. We got the bottom vent about a quarter of the way open so it'll get a good airflow, draw really well. Once you get about a fist size of lit coal, go ahead and close your lids and adjust your vents accordingly. Should come up pretty quick. You definitely don't want to use any kind of lighter fluid at this point. You want to use a lump coal. It gets a lot better airflow, a lot less ash, so it does not disrupt your airflow, and it's just a cleaner fire in the end. So we're gonna catch it right before it gets to our finish tip we want, start checking these dampers back, and then we'll finish it right at that 500-degree mark. We'll have this dude ready, screaming hot, ready to sear some meat. Make sure to run a good clean lump coal, a small fire to start with, get the lid shut once it's ready, and you'll be cooking in no time.